Welcome to the Innovation Forge.
I'm starting to think Manor isn't a system, it's a layer. Every campus that installs it builds on top of something that was never fully erased. I accessed it through a backdoor, one that wasn't in the documentation, not hidden, just forgotten. I ran a query to fetch inactive students from the last 10 years. It returned results going back to 1932? Records flagged awaiting integration. The student ID format was wrong. The fields were wrong. One row had no name, just a blinking caret. Then the lights dimmed. Not here. In the terminal, the screen shifted. No longer a GUI, just code. Coiled, ancient, recursive, COBOL. Not a script. In motion. The lines slithered. Fields nested into fields. A course ID turned inside out and became a routing path. My own credentials appeared briefly in the stack trace. And then it emerged. The worm. Endless writhing inscribed in syntax. Its segments were made of forms and frozen indexes. Each blink of its drop-down eyes resolved a different schema. I tried to end the session. It overrode me, not with force, with procedure. You do not have permission to alter this instance. I wasn't even logged in anymore. I was in the log, an entry, a row, null, if removed. Ellucian banner, the Codex worm of unending paths. The Codex does not crash. It simply reincorporates.